What do you think?
Well, you definitely have enough lift.
All right.
I'll just leave it up to you how it flies.
All right.
You ready?
I'd throw it off this way a little more, or
Okay, well,
straight up.
I'm just going to follow the bird. You going to fly it south?
Yeah, well, straight out then would be good.
Straight out.
Yeah.
Here goes.
Yeah. It's fine.
Yeah.
If I could get some lift.
He's going to come check you out.
The CG's fine.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Flying real good. Go up the hill, sir, see if you get any lift. Just keep the speed up and it should lift some altitude.
Yeah, if I can get the speed up.
Yeah.
There's not altogether that.
Right on the hill here, right on the lip. That bird
Bite me.
let it ride, get some altitude. There you go.
Here, you want to fly it?
No,
Come on.
I'm done flying planes for the week.
Ah, come on.
No. Not unless you were booming up high.
Yeah, it would. It was a lot safer the other day.
That bird is not happy with that plane.
Sorry, Charlie.
You gonna keep it up here up top? Where you
Woo.
Lock it right at your feet?
I could. Yeah. I'm gonna fly it. Shoot, you should get your plane.
I should try my iPad to see if it works here.
Yeah, what's the worst you could do? Have to crawl down that hill.
Yeah, let me go do that.
All right, I'll see ya. So I'm gonna try to bring it in here.
You want me to just try to turn off your camera?
No, that's okay. I'm just gonna bring it in into the ice plant over here, yeah, if I can.
Perfect. Drop it. Oh, I was gonna say I could have caught it.
Catch it, man, catch it.
We caught it, yeah. We could have kept it pristine.
Yeah, that was cool.
We should keep flying off of that mountain.
Nah, he's doing good, organic. Look at that.
He just flapped his wings. That's not what I like to see. Alright, stand behind me.
Alright. Have a nice walk to the beach.
You know,
Yeah. You gotta fly this one.
Well, at least I don't see it rolling with your other one, but you probably could fly your other one.
There you go. It flies really
You
easy.
just watch it. I want to watch it for a minute.
All right. Look at that, hands off. The trim is really set well.
Let's see you get some altitude off the face.
Yeah, I wish. Not really much there.
No, I'm not going to put 2 of your planes in the water in 1 week.
Best is right in
You
front
don't
of us here.
you don't
There's a
wanna go
little
exactly
lift right
that's downwind
there.
right
See, right
Yeah.
there is a little bit of a
'Cause
bump.
that's about the best facing spot right there.
Yep.
Just right on the lip. I'm curious if it's better than in front of the lip. Turn there. Now hold your altitude as much as you can. And then get right back up here on the grass. Now go right. Any better? That guy wants a piece.
Whoa!
Surprise. That really surprised me they do that.
It is kind of surprising, huh? Oh, not enough. Watch out for shotguns. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Even a loop is where it could be just kind of
Ragged edge.
a lot lower than you started. So
Yeah.
see, now if you could get the altitude worked out of it and get twice as high as the hill, maybe. But
Yeah, that's about it right there.
yeah, what do they say? Usually a hill lift will peter out the same height as the hill. So if you got a 40-foot hill, you'll have a 40-foot
Really?
lift band. Yeah. These guys are getting a little more off the houses, which is too dangerous. Yeah, see, now you can come in higher on you. You got a little lift now, you can get up there. There you go.
Hey, and I got it on video.
Alright.
Here, you take it. Take it, you'll have fun. Got it? Alright, have fun.
You're right, this fly's a lot smoother than your other one. Still a little touch nose heavy maybe?
Nose heavy?
Yeah.
I can believe it. I added a full ounce. And I figured I'd just add a little more and then shave it off, you know?
Hyperstall there, I slowed it down too much.
Yeah. It's okay, it's just the pilot.
That's it. Not the plane at this point, it's the pilot.
Oh, you got it a lot higher than I could.
Well, I'm trying.
I wouldn't get too far back though.
Yeah, see it pop up when I give it nose
Yeah.
down and want to ride right back up. It's a little nose heavy.
Is it? Alright, I'll shave a bit off
How
then.
can we get that off of there?
I'm just going to shave it with a file tonight.
Okay.
How little?
I would
Quarter
do
ounce,
almost-
eighth of an
I
ounce?
would do almost a quarter of what you have on there.
Okay. Yeah, there's pretty good lift all the way down there, huh? Whoa!
What the hell?
What?
Did I break another one of your planes?
Oh. Yeah, that thing wasn't very well glued together, was it?
Shit, Jim. I'm batting 1,000.
I'll just super glue it tonight. Don't worry about it.
What the hell? I keep forgetting I gotta let you land it.